All right, time to make another custom audience. So this audience is going to target anybody who interacts or engages with you on Facebook itself. So that's through, your business page, your ads, Instagram, any of those platforms. So this works really well if you're big on publishing a lot of organic content on Facebook or boosting posts or sharing blog posts. You can show ads to anybody who clicks on those, comments on them, etc. This is really big for agents who are heavily involved with publishing on Facebook and interacting and having conversations. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an audience specifically for retargeting or getting in front of those people again. So again, audiences from the main nav. We're going to create audience. This again is going to be a custom audience. And we're going to look right here in engagement. And I'm just going to walk through each of these in quick detail. I'm not going to actually create audiences for each. So video is, if anybody watches, you can set 25%, 50%, or 75%. I think actually in 90% of a video, you can put them in a bucket to show ads to them. You have to tell Facebook exactly which videos you want them to watch or track people on. So if you are very heavily involved in creating videos and publishing them on your Facebook page, you're going to need to go in here, every week or so and add those videos to this list. But if you have 5 or 6 videos that you kind of use in your marketing, you can just put those in here and then tell Facebook anybody who watches more than 50%, build a custom audience of those people. So lead form these are something that are really powerful. We'll cover it in a later video, but you can create an audience for anybody who interacts with the forum, like maybe clicks and opens it, but doesn't fill it out or submit it. So it's a really powerful way to engage with people who have shown a little bit of intent, but haven't making the leap. Your Facebook page is kind of what I was mentioning earlier. Anybody who clicks on your Facebook page or, maybe sends you a message or anything like that. Same thing with Instagram. And then I haven't really done much testing with the events, so I can't quite comment on that, but I could see if you're having like an open house or something, or maybe a local RIA meetup or something like that, and you want to bring a bunch of people together, you could show ads to anybody who is somewhat interested in your event by clicking on it. So I'll just dive into one of these really quick. And, if you have these pages here, like for instance, say I want anybody who engaged with my page in the last year, I'm going to create an audience with them. Or maybe it's anyone who engaged with a post or an ad so that your page ran, okay, who clicked on the call to action button on an ad, who sent you a message. Okay, so you can kind of see the power behind here. What I would typically recommend you do is make a couple audiences. One would be anybody who engages with your page, and I like to do it, again, 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, whatever you think is going to suit your business needs. Because if you show an ad to somebody who came to your your Facebook page 3 days ago, they're obviously in that searching phase. If you blast them with a bunch of ads, they might, it depends on how they receive it. 30 days, 90 days, those ads are going to be very different, where it's going to be like, hey, are you still looking to sell your house? Or, hey, did you know you have options when selling your house? Things like that. So create a couple different ones there. I also always do anybody who engaged with a post or ad, same thing, 3, 7. And I do that just because I have options when I go to create my ads. I can then layer on these buckets to give me more people if my buckets are getting kind of small. So if you are somebody who maybe has 1,000 people coming to your Facebook page or your broker's page every week, those 3-day buckets are probably enough. But if you are in a smaller market or you don't have as much traffic, you might need 90 days to have a big enough bucket. Remember, we need 1,000 people in these custom audiences for us to show ads on Facebook. So that is, that's how you do that. And then you could say Facebook page engagement, 365 days. Cool. Again, you can create a lookalike audience, which I'll cover in very soon. And if you know already about that, go ahead and do that. But for now, I'm going to stop the video there, and we'll see you in the next one.